In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact a Microsoft Teams customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first want to do is head on over to Microsoft.com. Now from here, you need to click onto your profile icon, top right hand corner of the page, and log in with your Microsoft account. So I'll quickly go ahead and do this. Now once you're logged in, you want to click on the search button, which is the top left hand corner of the page here. And then you want to type in support and then click on the Microsoft support here. Now just open up a new page. Now if we scroll down, we want to click on visit Microsoft support. And now from here, we need to scroll down and click on more Microsoft products. And then we need to find Microsoft Teams. Here it is here. So go ahead and click on Microsoft Teams. Scroll down again. And keep scrolling all the way to the bottom until you see the section where it says Get Support, Contact Us. So go ahead and click on Contact Us. And now type in Microsoft Teams support. And then click Go. And now go ahead and click on and now scroll down, and click on sign in to contact support. So you need to re-sign in. So I'm going to re-put in my email. All right, then once you do that, it will say tell us a little bit more about your problem. So select which one best describes. So we want Microsoft Teams, so we want Microsoft 365 and Office, or you can either choose other products, probably other products, then click confirm. And then it will say choose a support option. So just give that a few moments to load. And then it will say click here to get more help with Microsoft Teams for personal use. And you'll be on this page here, so scroll down. They make it very difficult to speak to someone, by the way, so keep scrolling down. And now you want to click on contact support. Basically, we're trying to find a live chat window. Oh, here we go here. So once customer chat support, so put in your full name, contact email, Teams email account, short description of the issue, click submit, and just basically say you'd like to speak to Microsoft Teams customer support and ask for if you can speak to them on a live chat or a phone number you can call.